Now, here at the ClearCryptos channel, we're all about adoption, making people more informed, making crypto easier for people to attain, right? These are the big things that right now are hindering, I think, the crypto market and the, adoption and advancement in the future. Now, there are right ways to do things and there are wrong ways to do things. And I want to give you an example of something right now that isn't necessarily the right way to do things. So Santander is apparently imposing limits on customer crypto spending. So Santander has announced on its website that it will be implementing or it will be imposing limits on customers using their accounts to buy cryptocurrencies. The reasons given by the bank is that crypto is high risk, that there is an increase in cryptocurrency fraud for UK customers, and there is unlikely to be any protection if anything goes wrong. They go on to say, we want to do everything we can to protect our customers, and we feel that limiting payments to cryptocurrency exchanges is the best way to make sure your money stays safe. No. Okay. Let's unpack this a little bit, right? So what they're basically coming out and saying is, hey, you don't know how to safely protect your money, so we're going to do it for you. We know better than you, right? And this isn't necessarily the case. There should be, instead of, limiting these sorts of transactions and stuff like that, they should be doing their part to help inform people, right? To help people, get more aware of what crypto is and how it works and how to better protect yourself in the crypto space. That's a big thing we do here at the ClearCryptos channel. That's why we make so many videos, so much content, and talk about the best way to do things, because it's important that people coming into the space, especially ones that are not familiar with cryptocurrency, are well informed, that they know the right and proper ways to do things. For example, limiting customer spending on cryptocurrency payments to $1,000 per transaction and $3 over a 30-day period isn't necessarily the way to do it. Now, this isn't the slam against Santander or anything like that. Obviously there are a bunch of different places that are going to have their own policies, but at the same time, we should all be working together to obviously, come to some kind of conclusion, right? Some kind of way to make things easier and safer for people to use. And again, that's what the goal here is at ClearCryptos. So I wanted to show you guys at least this, scenario of things that are playing out, not just with, this one individual case, but we're seeing it all over the place. And as time goes on and people get more, comfortable with cryptocurrency, and as there's more regulation that goes into place, you're going to see less of this, and there's going to be more, welcoming with open arms. And that's all I really got for you guys in this video. So as always, I appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the video. If you haven't already, do make sure you show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, that way you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. We can all work together to make crypto a better space. So as always, hope to see you guys in the next one. Take care, guys.